Hey guys, Peter Handyman here. Today we are going to unload this. This is the pressure washer. We're going to fix it. So this is engine made in the USA, global parts. So this is from Lowe's. So we're going to fix this. Owner told me that it's never been working for 5 years. It's been in the garage, never been used it, because like I said, he tried to start it but it doesn't work, and I asked him I can take it home and fix it here at home. So now we're going to fix this and open up everything, check all the line on the gas, the carburetor, filter, and everything, stuff like that. Alright guys, we are fixing this troybilt 2800 max psi 2.3G max GPM right there. So we are cleaning the carburetor. The needle is stuck, so you see the needle here, the gas is not going through it, so that's why I need to clean it. So I removed that from here. This is the exhaust manifold, this is the block down over here. So now, and this is the breather, this is all the idle right here, and then this is the gas tank here. So that's what we're doing right now, cleaning it. Alright, if you look at this one here, it's so dirty. The needle was stuck inside, so that's why the gasoline is not going through in distributing here. So when I was cleaning it, if you see that it's so dirty, so I need to scrape all that, because this needle is gonna go down in here, so it doesn't do anything. So it's been stuck because of that. So now I'm cleaning it, so that this needle will, it plays inside here, on and off, because there's a floater over here. This is the floating device that attached to it right there. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so the needle is gonna go down here. Before, it's not playing, it was stuck. I need to pry it. And this one also, if you see that there's like a little needle down over here, and also this is like a bulb to shut it off, the gas inside here. That's why this thing, there's like a little spring down over here. So this one, before it was stuck, I cannot remove this needle because, like I said, there's a lot of junk in there. So now I clean it, everything is good. Alright, so we put it back, the floater, then we're gonna put the needle over here as well. This is the one who's gonna hold that. So then we're gonna put everything back. This is the cap for the gas. Alright guys, we put everything back. That's what it looks like right now. So put there, so you can use 10mm over here. On this side, you're gonna use Allen wrench because a little bit tight to use a back wrench or a socket. So last one you can do is when you're all the way down there, you can use the 10mm back wrench to tie this thing up. But right now I'm gonna use this Allen wrench, and then you need to put this ground for your switch as well. Alright, I already put it back, so I have the cap over here. Right now there's no gas on that, so I'm going to connect the line for the gas. I need to see if the gas gonna go in there, because before there is no gas coming out since the needle was stuck. So right now I need to see if there's a gas going in, so we're all good to go. Alright, the gas line is connected, so I need to open this cap over here. Oh, there is right now. Alright, so we need to tie this thing up, and it drips right now. So what we're gonna do is tie this thing with this 10mm right here, right there. Yeah, we got a 13mm rather right there, so that it will not dripping. Before, I don't have any gas coming out in here because you know why? I have a needle, it's stuck in there, so there's no flow of gas going in through because the needle is so bad. So that's why there's no gas going in through that spark plug. My spark plug is fine, I already checked that. So right now gas is already going through, because this troybilt pressure washer is not been working. The owner said he's not even using for like 5 years or so, and he asked me if I can fix it, or he can go to somewhere else to fix them. And I said I will go and fix it, and I said I will check what is the problem. Alright guys, the moment of truth. We're going to start this. That's on, it's off, so we're going to turn it on and let's start this. We see if it's gonna start. One try, because like I said, they told me 5 years this troybilt has never been worked. Alright guys, so that is already working. 5 years, never been worked. So now I already fixed it. So, yep. That's what it is. This is the troybilt. So we're gonna put it back, everything. Then we're gonna try to hit the, put it in the line of the water. And then we're gonna start that. And we'll see this thing works. So right now, there's a need to clean a little bit, put some new gas over here, so it's all good. So yeah, that's the only secret in every pressure washers. Any one stroke motor like this, even the generator, they always have carburetor like this, so you need to clean up all the time because they always front of water. So that's why you need to check them, clean them, and then the result will going to be only one start and then you're good to go. Or also you always check your filter, because this one right now I don't have any filter here, so I need to buy a new one, so it's empty. So we're gonna put this thing back. This is down over here on the front. Yep. Alright guys, so let's start this. This have only problem here. The line on the bottom there is leaking, so this needs to replace connection on that right there. So now let's start this. Alright guys, so this is done. The 2800 Briggs and Stratton, powered by Briggs and Stratton. That's the engine over here. Because normally, you know, this troybilt, they use that brand name on the engine, Briggs and Stratton. The one that I have is Ryobi, but Honda, powered by Honda. This one is powered by Briggs and Stratton. It's good. It's already a one click and it starts right away. So fast. Only one click. Alright guys, so I already load this here in the truck. Tomorrow I'm going to deliver it. It's already done. So it's working now. So tomorrow deliver it to the owner. This Briggs and Stratton pressure washer. by Troybilt. So delivery tomorrow. Alright guys, so that's how you fix the pressure washer. If you have a problem, it's really hard starting and everything. That's only the key, is to clean up the filter, the carburetor, all the line in the gas, in the tank, everything. Just need to clean them. Needle, take it off, remove them, clean it by gasoline, clean it, and then you'll be fine. Alright guys, so this is Pinoy Handyman, Pinoy of all trade. Thank you again for watching my channel. Thank you, take care, and God bless you guys. Thank you, bye.